Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Walmart protection plan? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for Walmart protection. You're going to be on this page right over here. As you can see, there are two ways to go ahead and file a claim online. One is going to be at walmartprotection.com, or you could also call 1-877-538-4389. Once again, 1-877-538-4389, and simply go ahead and click on this walmartprotection.com right over here. So let me just go ahead and show you, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you can simply go ahead and file a claim. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and enter your email, your password, then finally go ahead and also provide your product, your receipts to start the process, and that is about it. They'll get in touch with you and you will be able to go ahead and resolve your problem. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.